Our relationship with ACCIONA started 1 year ago during their corporate open innovation program. During this year, we worked shoulder to shoulder with their innovation department and tunneling business units to develop Gemini. Gemini is a novel system to predict the advance rate of tunnel boring machines and will become the first step of an autonomous tunnel boring machine. Gemini is a cloud-native web application that analyzes data from TBM sensors in real time in order to predict the advance rate of the tunnel boring machine, detect geological anomalies in advance to improve safety, and also evaluate incidences and time management of the tunneling operations to support and to improve decision maker of the TBM driver. Gemini is being used in a hydraulic tunnel in Spain, in the Sao Paulo metro in Brazil, and will be implemented in Poland by the end of this year.